pinapakita talaga nila, no, hindi lang chilling effect ito, no, hindi lang yung kasi chilling effect para nararamdaman mo, pero ito talagang ini-enforce na nila, no. So napakaganda nito kasi we're going towards an election, no, at pinakita na ni Abante yan, sila Acop, si Paduano, no? Si Suarez, Romualdez. That Romualdez-led Congress is the most corrupt, the most rotten Congress in the entire history of the Philippines. In fact, it's already bizarre. Parang hindi ka na makapaniwala talaga sa nakikita mo, 'di ba? So, because of our opinions that we put on social media, ordinary citizens like us, no? We are put on we are called here and we are threatened. So ano yung inaapakan nila? Ang pinakamataas na kalayaan natin, ang pinakamataas na karapatan natin, ang kalayaan natin na magsabi, mamahayag ng ating mga opinyon.